Hello there, my name is Josh. Welcome to Eva Trades. Enjoy the show. Let's go. So those are the 5 stocks that I'm going to be watching. And usually the ones that I'm not real crazy about, but I'd like to watch them, I'll put over here just so I've got them there. This BRNG case, if it starts making a move, maybe, who knows. Let's see a move above there. Some support down there. And I'm not sure with CRYN yet. Just mark out some levels and then see how it trades. We'll see what happens. Oops, that one was supposed to be down there. Whoa, we're going crazy here. Hope you're doing well today. For me right now, it is 2 o'clock in the morning. I've been sitting here for the last 3 hours trying to figure out this whole live stream thing, and finally decided, I'm gonna have to get on with my video making here before I run out of time. So here I am. Let's see. 6:27. So we got 2 minutes to go till the market opens. This one made some nice moves. You had this high. I'm willing to bet you that's a daily level. We can check. What is that? That's 366. 366. Well, maybe I don't see anything here. 66. We got a candle. Oh yeah, that candle right there. So that was a high of day from many days ago. But we came up and tested that today. Post-market yesterday, actually. Pre-market high right there, 340. Got a pivot right here and here, $3 and 303 that we've just back tested and kind of breaking through at the moment. How far back do we come back? I don't know. It looks like a good place for a bounce. I don't know that. I don't know. Maybe catch a trade there. Nice consolidation. A lot of technical analysis. The word I'm looking for escapes me at the moment, but people who teach technical analysis will tell you, always connect the green candles, the green wicks at the top and the red wicks at the bottom, and I do that, but sometimes I don't. I don't know. It's not perfect. It's a tightening range. Better move on here. We've got less than half a minute till the bell, and I don't even have stop parameters set. I'm too busy talking. Let's see here. Got a scissors look here. Okay. I just gonna set some. Let's see here. 8, 20. I'll just say 25. Gotta hurry now. Just if you're familiar with my videos, you know that right now I'm setting up my stop loss parameters so that I can take a trade. Maybe down here at $10 on RDBX. I like to try to find a trade in that first couple of minutes if I can, but don't have to. A new 1 minute candle here. I'm going to go ahead and take a starter on AERC, breaking below that support and coming down to my stop loss. That was wanting that support to hold, so taking a loss first thing on the day. That's always a sign to me to be cautious. Let's see here. So everybody's pulling back. I'm looking over at CYRN over here. So no volume at all on BNRG. So that looks like that's going to be a no trade today. And I'm not liking CYRN either. Oh, look at that. Do you think it's too late to get in there? 1040. We're down at 1037. I already took a loss on this stock, but let's see if I can capitalize on any kind of a bounce here. Okay. So what I did there was it's hard to see because the candles are freezing. I jumped in it and then I got stopped out, but I got in a couple more times. And I'm taking a couple of entries on RDBX. Nice move on RDBX there. Selling half. Selling half on AREC and out the rest on AREC. I'm down $50 on AREC. Oh boy. The candles are so frozen I can't hardly see. I'm going to pause this. See what happened there. The platform is really freezing up on me right now. That made it really difficult to see what was going on. I'm just going to let it sit for a second, let things kind of catch up. And here's the bottom. So here on AERC, I was down a couple $100. Managed to yeah, see, I couldn't see this green candle. It was on this red candle, and I'm like, well, I guess I better sell both. And if I'd seen this green one, I probably would have held because it was making the move up. And so I managed to make back most of the loss that I made. And then on this one over here, I was showing $200 in profit. All I was seeing was a green candle and a small red one pulling back. But then all of a sudden I noticed that I got stopped out, but yet the candle's still way up here. I'm like, what is going on? So got fooled by the freezing candles there. I'm just glad that kind of stuff doesn't happen when trading live. All right, so I'm going to switch back to the top and push play, and we'll see if maybe this will straighten out. I'm going to wait a little bit before I take another trade, and although I do like this as an entry down here, I guess I'll hop in there and just take a chance that these candles don't mess me up again. That was a pretty good drop on RDBX, so that is something to be aware of. And a big red 5-minute candle with a upper wick on RDBX. I'm looking for a bounce here to possibly make back most of what I lost. And taking profit there. I want to see a little more than that. My greed could cost me here. I'm showing green on the stock right now. $10.50. Well, I'm going to go ahead and take the profit. Getting in there. Okay, so making back some money on AERC. Took a quick little trade there. So right now on the day, I'm not doing real well here. I'm up to $10. So not really seeing any super good patterns that I'm really excited about. Nothing to really call out just yet this morning. Everything's kind of choppy looking, even on the larger time frames. We could take a look at those, see if we see anything here. I mean, yeah, you got a nice pullback here. What was that? I don't know what that was. That was the noise that the Trade Ideas scanner makes. That's kind of weird. Okay, a little pullback here on RDBX. Should I take that trade? What time is it? I will. We're trading right below the EMA. Other stocks are dropping, so I don't know. This might not have been the best decision. We'll see. There it is again. What was that? You can see on the other computer here, I am in a trade. Looking for the breakthrough 252. Got to get through 250 first. My average right now is 250. I bought, looking at the VWAP, wanting to hold that support. Oh man, I might have to figure out what the heck that noise is. It's loud, whatever it is. See if that fixed it. Boy, having a hard time getting above 50. Pulling back and jumping in. I'm also in a trade over here. Coming up to my target. I'm holding it to see if my target gets filled. There we go. I got filled there. Go back over here. Then I'm going to take profit and take profit and take profit and take more profit and take the losses. I just took my losses. Why, do you ask? Oh my gosh. Well, why would I? Let's take a look at why I did that. I could show you the bottom here. So you can see this is on the other computer. I'm down 60 bucks on CYRN. I took the losses, sold for those losses because they're not very big. very small losses. And if this were to drop down, those losses would become a lot bigger. And I didn't want that, considering that over here on that last trade I took, let's go, how do I do this? Go to the bottom on this computer. You can see I made $316 on that last trade. So that at 306 here and negative 60 on on the other computer, excuse me, I'm up $240 on the day. So all of that just to say I'm up $240. And that is my daily goal. $200 a day is my daily goal. I hit my daily goal. And let's take a look now over here. And you can see that pulled back even more. So I would have taken some bigger losses. That would have wiped out completely the $300 win that I had over here. And I would have been sulking in my soup. So that's gonna be it for me today. Those are my trades today. I apologize, not a lot of technical analysis today. These stocks are really choppy. There isn't a whole lot for me to kind of cover here. Yeah, it's just a lot of choppy action. It's really, I don't want to trade anymore. We got everything. This is below the EMA and the VWAP. This is below, and the other two are below. It's like, let's take a look at the overall market. There isn't anything on the scanner that's popping up. The stock market SPY is also looking like it's kind of below. I don't really know what we're looking like on the long-term time frame. You know, we could just play around a little bit. Let's look at the daily. This is June, so this is we're slowly catching up to real time. I don't know if I want to wait for this to load. This could take a while. Yeah. So anyways, thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out tomorrow's video. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trading with a small account being $5,000 in the account, I do believe. Let me turn off my on demand so I can see. I'm gonna be starting with $5,716.77. And if you know anything about day trading, is that there is a rule set by the government that says if you're going to day trade in the United States, you have to have $25,000 in your account in order to take 3 day trades, in order to take more than 3 day trades in a 5-day period. So if you've got less than $25,000, you only get 3 trades in a 5-day period. So that means tomorrow I'm not going to get to trade like I normally would. I'm only going to get 3 chances to hit that daily goal of $200. So it's going to be a real challenge, but I'm looking forward to it. And I'm going to try to start doing this every single week to kind of see how hard is it to take a small account and grow that account. So tune in tomorrow for that first video, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for joining me today. Have a really great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.